How's it going, guys? Thanks for joining us. Back here doing some more work on housing, and here we are. I'm tensioning these beams. This is the Red Hill job where we didn't put the bolts in because I wanted to tension the beams once we got the house in position and locked off. And now we've done all the brackets as per engineering drawings, all the tie downs up the top there. So there's a tie down there, another tie down welded to our steel bracket over there. And you'll find them all the way around. There's another two over there, as well as what's around the steel beam that holds onto that brick wall. There's tie downs everywhere. Okay, that we've got on there. Frankie welded those yesterday. So the plates welded up. And then of course we've got the cross braces, which is our bracing struts. These are 100 by 50 by 5. And our beam's welded. This one here is nearly an inch away from the steel post. So of course it's got steel plates up either side, and we've got the brace underneath it, so it's not going out anywhere. And this bracing system is also because there's no bracing on that one. That's the new building, and there's almost no bracing on that at all. Okay, so this building is holding that one. So we wanted to make sure she was nice and strong. A bit dark under here for this camera, but there's our bolts, and there's the ones I haven't put in yet, because I've still got to load that. I've still got to make that barrier a bit higher. As you see, there's a gap between the floor joist and the steel there, but as it comes past the bolts, it comes down and it's sitting on top of the steel. Now that steel is sagging, it's got a bit of a sag in it, so now I've got to push the barrier up to get a gap like I've done at the front. I don't know if you can see it, it's a bit dark under here, even though it's bright sunny sky. There's a joist. There's a joist right there. There's a gap. Don't know if you can see that. There's a 10mm gap there. Okay, and it goes down to nothing on that end, and we keep that gap all the way along. It gets a bit bigger as it gets to the middle, and then down to nothing again on that end. So we're tensioning the beams, making sure they're under stress to make them work properly on this building. All right, that's what we're up to. I'm finished today. Our job's finished. Just got to get the engineer to sign off on it. He was here yesterday. He said all okay, but now I've got to get him to come in and sign off on it, make sure everything's right, and that he's happy. And yeah, then we're all done. Okay, that's it. Up here at Red Hill at J Street, and we'll talk to you again soon. I've got plenty more coming as we move into Christmas, and a lot more work coming up. Okay, talk to you again soon. Oh, by the way, guys, please, if you would, down the subscribe button on the side, if you would hit that for us, and like, and even if you would, the bell icon, if you could hit that, that would be fantastic as we try and promote ourselves on YouTube and trying to make things happen. It's hard. YouTube is getting harder and harder to deal with as we go along, as you would have heard with many other sites. So there's a lot of things we've got to do with new regulations on YouTube to try and make all this work for us. But yeah, thank you very much for viewing, for coming along and joining us here. If you would please, yeah, hit that subscribe button. That'd be much appreciated. Okay, love yous. Catch you again soon. See ya.